Hello students, welcome to the class. In the last class, we have learned about agriculture, then types of crops, then major crops of India, food crops is rice, wheat, millet, pulses. Now in today's class, we will come to know about cash crops, livestock rearing, then recent developments in agriculture. So now let's begin with cash crops. The crops which the farmers grow to earn money are known as cash crops. So the crops which are grown by farmers to earn money is known as cash crops. Sugarcane, tea, coffee, cotton and jute are cash crops. These are the example of cash crops. The farmers earn money through their export. The farmers export these crops to earn money. They are grown to be sold in the market. These crops are grown to be sold in the market. India is a leading producer of sugarcane. So India is a leading producer of sugarcane. India produces sugarcane on a large scale. Then Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka lead in production of sugarcane. Sugar and jaggery, that is gur, is made from sugarcane. So these are the places which leads in production of sugarcane, and sugar and jaggery is made from sugarcane. Tea is the most popular drink in India and abroad. Tea is one of the most popular drink in India as well as in abroad. India is the world's largest producer of tea. In the whole world, India is the largest producer of tea. It grows well in the cool and wet climate. Tea grows well in the cool and wet climate. It is grown in mountain and hill slopes of Assam, West Bengal and Tripura. In the hill slope of Assam, West Bengal and Tripura, tea is grown well in mountains and hill slopes. Coffee is the second most popular drink of India. India exports coffee. It is grown in South India such as Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So coffee is one of the second most popular drink of India, and India exports coffee in the states like Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Coffee is grown in South Indian states like Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Hill slopes are suitable for coffee plantation. Tea and coffee are produced on a large scale on Nilgiri mountain range. So hill slopes are suitable for plantation of coffee, and tea and coffee are also produced on a large scale on the Nilgiri mountain range. You can see this coffee plantation. Then cotton. Cotton is a fiber crop. This is a fiber crop. It is used to make cloth. Cotton is used to make cloth. It is grown in Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Cotton is grown in the states like Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Jute is also a fiber crop. Here you can see the jute plantation. It is also a fiber crop. It is popularly known as the golden fiber because of its color. Jute is also known as the golden fiber because of its color. Jute grows well in hot and wet climate. West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and Odisha are major producers of jute. You can see here the jute plantation. The picture is given in your book. Which states are the major producers of jute? West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and Odisha. Robes, bags and carpets are made from jute. Things which are made from jute are robes, bags and carpets. Vegetable oil used in cooking is obtained from oil seeds. So from oil seeds the vegetable oil is obtained. And mustard, sesame, groundnut, sunflower and linseed are grown on a large scale in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. So these oil seeds, mustard, sesame, groundnut, sunflower and linseed, they are grown on a large scale in the states like Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Rubber plantation. You can see the picture of rubber plantation. Rubber is produced from the latex, that is sap, a milky fluid found in plant that is extracted from the trunks of the trees. So the latex is extracted from the trunks of the trees, and in this way rubber is produced. Rubber is planted in the states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Rubber is used to make tire, mattresses and footwear. So footwear, mattresses and tires are made up of rubbers, and it is planted in the states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now pepper, ginger, cinnamon, chilies, cloves and cardamom are the spices grown in India in the states of Kerala and Karnataka. So the spices are grown in India in the states of Kerala and Karnataka. The spices are pepper, ginger, cinnamon, chilies, cloves and cardamom. Here the picture is given in your book of spices. Different type of spices found in India. Livestock rearing. Farm animals regarded as asset, cattle or livestock are domestic animals used for food, fiber and labor. So the cattle or livestock are domestic animal which are used for food, fiber and labor. Oxen and bullocks help the farmer to plough the land and move the water wheel. So to plough the land and move the water wheel, oxen and bullocks help the farmer. Goats and sheep give meat. Animal skin is used to make leather. We get wool from sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Cattle waste is used as manure and to produce biogas. The waste of cattle is used as manure and to produce biogas. The government of India launched Green Revolution in India in 1960s. In 1960s, the government of India launched Green Revolution. The great increase in production of food grains such as rice and wheat due to the introduction of high-yielding varieties. Under this scheme, the government provided good quality seeds, modern farming machine and fertilizers to the farmers. Under the scheme of Green Revolution, the government provided good quality of seeds to the farmers, then modern farming machine and fertilizers. The farmers were able to grow better quality and more quantity of crops, so that the farmer would grow better quality of crops and of more quantity of crops. There was a huge increase in wheat production in India in the 1970s due to the Green Revolution. Due to Green Revolution, there was a great increase in wheat production in India in 1970s. India becomes self-sufficient in the production of food grain, and because of the increase of wheat production in 1970s, India became self-sufficient in the production of food grains. Rearing of animals for milk is called dairy farming. Animals are reared for milk is called dairy farming. Operation Flood was a rural program started in 1970. It made India the largest producer of milk and milk products. Operation Flood made India the largest producer of milk and the milk products. It is also called the White Revolution of India. Operation Flood is also known as the White Revolution of India. Today, India is the second largest producer of milk in the world after USA, as USA is the first largest producer of milk and India is the second largest producer of milk in the whole world. Recent developments in agriculture. Steps taken by the government to increase the agriculture output are, so these are the steps taken by the government to increase the agriculture output. Number 1. efforts are made to educate the farmers regarding advanced agriculture techniques. For this, it has set up various agriculture universities. So efforts has been made to educate the farmers so that they could know about the advanced agricultural techniques. For this, government has set up various agricultural universities. The Doordarshan and Akashvani telecast special program like Krishi Darshan and Baatein Kheti Ki to create awareness and solve the problems related to agriculture. So the channel Doordarshan and Akashvani telecast special program like Krishi Darshan and Baatein Kheti Ki to create awareness among the people so that they could solve the problem related to agriculture. The Food Corporation of India, FCI, purchases farm produce directly from the farmers at government rate so that they are not fooled by middlemen. The FCI purchases farm produce directly from the farmers at government rate so that they would not get fooled by the middleman. Many veterinary hospitals are open to treat domestic animals. New breeds of cattle have been introduced. Hospital has been opened to treat domestic animals and new breeds of cattle have been introduced. That's all for today. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.